Is this any better? I hope so. So once again, a very good afternoon to all of you. It's an absolute privilege and my honor to be here as one of the key guests gracing this occasion. It's just been a little over 2 hours that I have stepped into the SGT campus, but the wisdom shared by the faculty, the Vice Chancellor, the Pro Vice Chancellor, the Chairman, and the guests of honor, especially Dr. Raza, has been amazing. I already feel enlightened, and I don't know how much of wisdom will I share with you. I think I have to see a lot more seasons before I can actually start imparting wisdom. But I think I relate to you, the faculty, and more the students. Uh, all of us have been students at one point of time, right? And so with me, 16 years of education, formal education. Um, I was recruited from the campus by IBM, a big brand name in tech. And what's uncommon is that these days most youngsters, most students want to switch jobs from one company to another. I somehow never felt the necessity. So here I am, 23 years in the same job, 20 years with IBM, and then IBM GTS spun off into Kyndryl. So here I am with Kyndryl. So what can I tell you? First, I'm very, very impressed with the amount of innovation that I see from the students, from all the stalls that we were able to visit, from pharma to life sciences to tech to innovation to civil to mechanical. It's just amazing. And we were having a coffee side chat right before we came to the arena. And we firmly believe that the amount of innovation that we actually do as a country, we actually do as a student base, surpasses far more than that of great nations like the United States or the United Kingdom. It's just that we somehow try to avoid that paperwork because we think it's too complicated. I think we need to shun that. I think we need to come up with what we own, what we create, what we innovate on the global stage. India is big at the global stage now. I have absolutely no doubt saying that, As I said, 23 years, 20 years with IBM, I've had the privilege of assigned to different nations across the globe, not a continent where I have not worked or served for a couple of years. And I see the new India. India was a different light when I started my career back in 2001 and 2. It was coming up, but today it's reached its place, and we believe that we have the potential to transform the world. There is absolutely no sector that India is unable to penetrate deep into and make its mark. Dr. Raja was talking about the pharma conference that's happening, 120 countries. He just came from that, I know, he's a busy man. But the fact that it's happening here, the fact that inputs are being sought, tells us of the new importance that the global bodies levy on us. Same for tech. You can't have a tech conference, you cannot have a technological innovation complete without either being a panelist of Indians there or a whole lot of Indians there. There's not a single company, there's not a single big tech company in the world which does not have Indians as the biggest base of its employees. I'll talk about IBM. IBM is one of the big tech giants. Out of 410,000 employees, close to 100,000 employees are Indians. We spun off to Kyndryl, 90,000 Kyndryls, 28,000 Indians. You talk about any big name, Apple, Google, Microsoft, either they have the maximum base of Indians or they got Indians who have relocated to those countries to be there and be part of those companies. What that tells us is that we, Indians, we are the backbone of the modern world. We run the biggest companies, be it tech, be it pharma, be it airlines, be it anything. We have the potential and we are deploying it actively and currently. And my firm and humble appeal to all of the students and the faculty here is to realize that strength. We have always had potential, but somewhere in the last, apart from the last 20 years, we haven't had the opportunity or the global stage to be able to deploy it and leverage it. I think our time has come. I'm very sure our time has come. And this vision of India running the backbone of the world is not new. I come from Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapeeth as a student, and I know no less than Swami Vivekananda. Back in 1896, told this in the United States in the Parliament of Religions at Chicago. He said, "Sisters and brothers of America, our time will come." And I believe that, roughly 200 years down the line, our time has come. And we must leverage it. It would be a proud feeling when I age towards the fag end of my career, of my life. I would love to see us as one of the superpowers in the world. We are there, the world recognizes us, but there are still latency, inertia around accepting that. It would be great to see that acceptability, and it's on you, it's on the faculty, on your shoulders to pass on that sense of responsibility and ownership to the students, and on your shoulders, the students. You are the bright future of modern India. It would be great to be in a generation where you are acknowledged as a superpower and a source of strength for the entire world. And I come from very humble beginnings. We are talking about Guru Govind Singh. I come from his land. I come from a small village in Bihar. And I also come from the land of the national poet Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. And I'll just like to quote one of his many innumerable poems that he has written through his career. I'll quote from Rashmi Rathi, the revered Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, saying, "खम ठोक ठेलता है जब नर, पर्वत के जाते पांव उखर, मानव जब जोर लगाता है, पत्थर पानी बन जाता है." We have that potential, we have that capability. Let's leverage the new India that we are. Thank you so much. I would not take names because there are too many, but I just sincerely thank with a lot of gratitude to all the faculty members, to all the students, and to all the dignitaries for inviting me here. Jai Hind. Thank you.